Southern Expressway and he's going to 60, guys, when the speed limit is 100.
It's 80. The speed limit is how much is the speed limit?
100.
What a
I'm not
snob.
gonna stay in a car or anything.
Just shut up.
Ow.
You don't know your own country places?
Yeah, I don't know. I know only Battaramulla and Vellanvilla, to a place that's not existed in Google Maps. Where the hell are you taking me?
So shady, no?
It is.
Guys, welcome to yet another episode of Carpool with Riri. And today, because so many of you are just saying more Kosh content, we've decided to do this. It's like,
I'm extremely
please kind of behave yourself. Here, first of all, what are we talking about today? We are driving on the Southern Expressway to Balapitiya for the weekend. But 1 minute, tell me.
I'm stuck with this basically.
And he has brought his laptop.
Which I don't know how to operate. But I know.
On the weekend holiday, we are going to lounge on the beach and this thing, and I have to sit and operate your laptop.
Yeah. Can't I connect the watch to the laptop?
Yes, you can.
Does it make
Guys, please note that for all technological questions and everything, please contact Kosh for anything.
I'll tell please contact Riyadh for that because I have no idea about it. I know how to make a call, to send pictures on WhatsApp, that I'm really good at. And yeah.
First of all, I am the guest in this country. Why am I driving you around?
Because
Your car?
I can't be bothered driving, Riyadh. And it's a Southern Expressway and he's going to 60, guys, when the speed limit is 100.
It's 80. The speed limit is how much is the speed limit?
100!
Here is 100?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, sorry, because on our expressway it's 80. So
Yeah, there's both. Everybody says 100.
I didn't see it. Keep silence.
You keep silence.
Anyway,
This is my country, okay? Even though you're like, think that you're Sri Lankan in your head.
now we are also, guys, we are on this thing on popular demand. We are doing a road trip next month to Jaffna, 15 hours from Colombo to Jaffna, and Kosh is going to be driving us.
In his dreams.
Wow, the sun is out.
Yeah, yeah, guys, I'm not going to whatever the Jaffna place with we are. Not gonna sit
Because he doesn't want to drive 15 hours. What a
I'm not
snob.
gonna stay in a car or anything.
Just shut up!
Ow. You know I have sensitive ears, don't scream.
Okay, sing a song. I wanna swing
Finally you said the correct lyrics.
What?
Oh my god.
from the chandelier.
You always say I wanna slay. You always say slay, not
Slay, I say.
Yeah.
Okay, then what are the...
The correct is swing. Rihanna.
You have to wait for 1 more hour because this highway
But
is
if goal is 1 hour, how come
half an hour.
Balapitiya, right?
Balapitiya.
Balapitiya.
You don't know your own country places?
Yeah, I don't know. I know only Battaramulla and Vellanvilla. Ah, don't scream!
You are screaming.
I can't it. That's a nice house.
Yo, can you look on Google Maps, by the way, which exit we are supposed to? I don't want to drive, but I think we've driven past the exit.
I don't think so. We just enter the exit.
Just put Balapitiya, which exit? Hekkad, some very long name. Remember I told you? No minutes before Gaul.
How? Really? Goal is 1 hour.
You don't teach me any directions.
Rihanna, I'm pretty sure just like someone's pulling your leg. He doesn't know where he's going. So tell me the name of the place, I'll put that. So
Balapitiya, put how to go, but I want to know which exit we are taking. See,
tell me the hotel, whatever you're going, like the villa.
that is not on Google Map.
Going to a place that's not existed in Google Maps. Where the hell are you taking me?
So shady, no?
It is! Forever.
Okay, Panadura is here. It's way past Panadura.
It's Panadura. What is the school that we, like, you know, that we saw in Colombo? So guys, is that this, okay? Is it on?
Yes, it is on. It's just recording. Don't worry, you can just talk. I'll edit it out later. Okay, wait, man.
Yes, so you are not going the speed limit, no?
No, I'm going no now. Keep silence.
Yeah, if one person needs to honk from the back and then you are going. Put to this lane.
I want to take you.
24-year-old man to drive.
I want to take
And
you
why the
safely.
wiper is on when it's sunny?
I I want to take
My
you
God,
safely.
guys, I can't. The Viper was on and he's
Because
very
it was
sunny.
raining. Here, don't teach me anything because I know how to drive much better than you. I am driving.
Yeah,
a
I
car
can see.
And I'm driving all fancy cars in Bombay. Okay, so
They
keep
say
silent.
Panda fancy of
Panadura.
No, it's Panadura, not Panadura.
Don't teach me things, okay?
I have to teach you because you're seeing that the teaching person is bad.
Okay, please send what is your message to everyone watching this in India?
Hi guys, I love you all. I really want to come to India, but he's not inviting me.
Here, ask him first question if he has a passport.
I do. Don't say that I have a passport. It's expired. I have to renew it.
So that still means that you don't have a passport.
I have a passport. I just don't have the time to. I'm very booked.
Very busy.
I'm
Very busy. Bloody all day when I say, oh, in the morning I'm so busy, my day is packed with work, I'm so busy. And then, what do I see on Insta stories? Lying on the bed.
That
posting
was the
some
old one
rubbish
when I was in
selfies.
Al. I took it.
Yeah, rubbish. Some selfies with some big lips and all, some sidey filter.
It's not a filter. It's my actual lips.
It was a filter.
No, I have big lips. I know how to pout.
It was very sidey.
But what? Like, oh my God. Now only he's racing in this highway. I don't know what he's doing.
I have not seen any speed limit sign, so I really don't know what
It's
it is.
100.
Who told you?
Look at that. That's not a sign. Look at that.
11 kilometers.
No, it says 100.
It said 11 kilometers.
I don't know the meaning of that.
Look at this Babu driving in the middle of the road.
So, literally, you did the same thing. Like a babu. What is babu?
I don't know. So today, Kosh is going to be running on the beach in a sari, wet sari.
What is your obsession with saris?
Oh, also guys, we are going to Jaffna to buy saris and chappals.
No, Rian, you can get it from Colombo.
You don't get good chappals and saris in Colombo as compared to Jaffna.
Yes, Jaffna, they have this nice vegetable dyed saris and stuff, but yes, that also you can get in Colombo. There are places.
And chappals?
Yeah, Adrian, why you come? Jaffna is close to India. You can go to Chennai and get your stuff.
Why will I go to Chennai? When I come from Bombay, I get best shopping there also.
Then why are you going? You are in Colombo. Why are you going to Jaffna to buy saris and chappals?
Okay, can we just go for tea, coffee?
Like that?
Why? What is the problem? You want me to be in the left lane?
No, you can go fast.
I'm on 100, dude.
You can pass the limit. Oh my God, you don't have to just like, oh my God. This is where I miss Manasha.
Yeah, Manasha would be sitting at the back, judging.
No, she'll sit here, sit back.
Yeah, and she would not be driving above
Queen
100.
Latifah owns everything right for herself. Okay, they cut that part.
Baby, you light up my life like nobody else.
I told them.
What kind of car this is? No music facilities also. Guys,
Yeah,
please
it
don't
is.
sit in
I
Kosh's
have-
car. There is no music
I
facility.
can put radio, like a gift for Christmas.
Please show them, show them. Thank you, Manasha, for choosing. She's got such
I
exquisite.
literally told my dad to make it, okay?
Manasha is so sweet.
Where is it?
Show it, yeah.
It's a pendant, a silver pendant with blue sapphires, like there's 4 blue sapphires, and I think, yeah, it's an elephant, right? Like the head and the back turns. I mean, like, yeah, it's cute. So that's Korea from Kosh.
So then I'll wear it next month when we are going on our Jaffna road trip.
I'm not coming to Jaffna.
So I was telling you that when I do take anyone in my car on a road trip, I do a full tea coffee service with the kettle, cup, saucers, everything I do. I offer them the sugar.
Which one?
Huh?
Which car?
My car in Mumbai. Whenever I take anybody, there's always a full service done inside. Tea,
But
coffee.
you gotta have a limo in India
No, why?
to serve tea, coffee.
I do know, and with the kettle and all, and not some sidey. Refreshments. Where are the refreshments?
What refreshment? I have sanitizer.
There is no AC. We are going to like a beach camp with tents and all. What do you think? You're from Kensington Palace or Buckingham Palace or something? That you need AC and all. If you're going to the beach, you have to have a natural experience.
I really hope you're kidding because I will put a big tantrum if there's no like beds and
But there
stuff.
is no. It's like a double bunk beds. Why are you like this? Here, also guys, if ever you're coming to because if you want to go right, he will tell you go left. When I was once traveling in the rickshaw with him, he's telling the rickshaw guy, oh, go left, and we had to actually go right, and we've gone round and round in circles, and poor rickshaw wala was very
How to twist
confused.
the whole thing, you little Indian.
Ask the rickshaw wala.
I don't know who the rickshaw wala is. You know, the term wala is like a pervert in Sri Lanka.
No, Hambantota we have to now.
What? Caesar, where the heck are you taking me? Why are you going to Hambantota?
Because the villa's there.
Turn. I can't go to Hambantota. That's 2 hours.
Why are you in a high-pitched voice?
I can't go to Hambantota. We are
No, but 1 minute. My question to you is: we are going on a very nice beach camp, so it's like 10.
I don't want to do. I didn't bring any clothes for camp.
It's on the beach.
Yeah, I
Like, you
thought
can
it's a
go-
private villa where I can just like relax. You take Manasha to all the luxurious places and taking me to the beach camp? I can't with this.
Let the video start. Guys,
Starting.
yes, start. Guys, please leave a comment and tell me what you want, who you want as my next guest for
Always
Apple
coach, only
Series.
coach. Guys, only coach,
No,
not
if he
other
doesn't come to
cruises.
Bombay, then we are not interested in taking him as a guest on the show. Here, can you please, guys, tell everyone to like, share, and subscribe.
Oh god, I suck at doing that. So guys, like this video, share it, and just please
Subscribe
comment
to the channel.
And yes, wait, don't scream. Let me do it properly. Guys, like this video, share it on your social media, and then also comment and say Kosh is the best and Riyan is the worst, and tell only, can you please go to 100? I am not just talking any. Guys, I can't. My head. When we're coming back, anyways, I'm coming alone, so it's good. I'm driving in. Oh, no, you're good in call. Yeah, and then